Hi everyone, that's DidyToys channel, and today we're going to crochet these baby bunny booties. They are extra cute and very easy to crochet. The fit's length is about 9 centimeters. It depends on your crochet density, but they'll be definitely good for a newborn up to 3-4 months old baby. The pattern is beginner friendly and it takes about half an hour to create a pair of those. You'll need a plush yarn, any kind, any color. I'll use Himalaya Dolphin Baby and the color is 325. Then 5mm crochet hook. You can use a different size, but be careful, that may affect the booty's size as well. You'll also need scissors, markers if you use them, a plastic needle for plush yarn, any size that you're comfortable with, then a piece of ribbon or ready-made bow or other decoration. I also used a transparent nail polish to keep the ribbon ends from fraying. You may heat seal them if you wish. And I also used a transparent glue for gluing decoration. If you don't have any, you may just sew the bows to the booties. So, the first thing to crochet is the booties. Start by a chain of 10 stitches and then crochet around it. I'm going to use a thread instead of a marker, that way it's more convenient for me. Now crochet 2 half double crochet stitches into the second chain stitch from the hook, then 7 half double crochet stitches, and 6 half double crochet stitches into the last loop. Turn and continue working on the other side of the chain. Seven half double crochet stitches again. Finally, 2 half double crochet stitches in one stitch. The first round is ready and we've got 24 stitches in total. The second round starts by 2 increases of half double crochet stitches, then 7 half double crochet stitches, 6 increases, 7 half double crochet stitches again, and 2 increases. The total number of stitches is 34. Now 6 increases, which means you crochet 2 half double crochet stitches in each loop 6 times. Seven half double crochet stitches again. Two more increases and the second round is ready. Crochet a single crochet stitch to align the marker. The middle of the heel is the place where rounds should start. Now you need to find back loops. That's the front one, and this one is the back one. We are going to crochet a half double crochet stitch in each back loop all the way around. The number of stitches remains the same as we don't increase or decrease. You can already see this little border, that's because we crochet through back loops only, and we can also see the front loops which have not been crocheted into. Now a half double crochet stitch in each stitch around, 34 stitches in total again. We'll crochet through both loops this time. I'll skip ahead and meet you guys before round 6. So that's the final stitches of round 5 and the booty is almost ready. That's how it should look like, and we need to make decreases in front part so that it has a proper shape. We align the marker first, otherwise the decreases won't be placed symmetrically. 1 half double crochet stitch is enough for me. You may need to crochet more. Now 10 single crochet stitches, then 7 decreases of half double crochet stitches and 10 single crochet stitches again. Be careful, we crochet half double crochet stitches, not single crochet stitches, while decreasing. Ten single crochet stitches and the round is ready. The total number of stitches is 27. You can see now how the detail changes, but we need one more round with decreases in front. Now crochet 7 single crochet stitches. Three decreases of half double crochet stitches. One half double crochet stitch in the middle and 3 decreases again. Seven more half double crochet stitches and the booty is almost ready. The shape is perfect. A few more touches to make the edge look better. I will crochet now a slip stitch in each front loop around. Looks better now. We can cut the thread, fasten off and weave in the yarn tail. I use a plastic needle to make these rounds beginning less visible. There is no special instruction how to weave in the yarn tail, so just do it as you are used to. The first booty is ready. Crochet the second one using the same pattern and following the same instructions. And we are moving on to the second part of tutorial. 2 chain stitches or a magic circle and then crochet 6 single crochet stitches. Now crochet 2 single crochet stitches in each loop around. That will make 12 stitches in total for round 2. A single crochet stitch in each stitch around for rounds 3 and 4. The total number of stitches remains the same. Round 4 was the last round and now we need to fold the detail and crochet through all edges together. That's all, just pull the thread through the loop and cut it, leaving a tail for sewing. Same pattern for the second tier. Now we need to sew the ears to the booties. First find the middle and then sew the ears one by one. Again, there is no special recipe for sewing, just do it as you like it to do. Don't forget to fasten the thread and weave in the yarn tails. Almost ready, only the decoration is missing. They're quite cute, even without a bow. You can stop here if you wish, but I'm going to show you my way to decorate them a bit. I'm going to use a 2 cm sky blue ribbon for that. You can use a ready-made bow or some other decoration. After the bow is ready, I just glue it to the booty using a transparent glue. You can sew it if you wish. Same process for the second bow. As I've mentioned earlier, I use a transparent nail polish to keep the ribbon ends from fraying. You may just heat seal them. The baby bunny booties are ready. They are so cute. Hope you enjoyed the process. Thanks for watching, and I will really appreciate it if you like, comment and follow my channel. Thank you!